Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I'd like to give a review of what period and frequency mean for a vibrating system, similar to what it means for vibrations in the air from sound. Since we know a vibrating system moves back and forth constantly, like this, it should be somewhat obvious that we can measure the time of each oscillation because of how it happens in a predictable periodic manner. And we can also deduce a formula for frequency based off the measured time, even though you cannot measure the frequency directly like you can with time. We state that the period is exactly how many seconds one oscillation occurs, so it is the seconds between each oscillation after that as well. And the frequency has a convenient formula based off this measurement, which is 1 over the period measured, which in everyday terms you may hear is called cycles per second, but the international unit for it is hertz, capital H lowercase z. And that is all there is to period and frequency. Now that we have given a basic explanation of how period and frequency are measured, we can deduce a more precise formula for how to calculate the time period of a spring or similar system in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.